First Team Real Estate. You'll find a place you'll feel right at home in. This video is brought to you by your real estate agent, Joel. This detached home is a great choice for families who want the privacy of their very own lot, and it's located in this area. Currently listed at just under $1.1 million. It just went on the market this month. Wondering how it stacks up against the competition? There are now just over 55 homes on the market within this zip code. If you're thinking about getting a mortgage for this property, you could be looking at these options with regards to current interest rates and monthly payments. This property was built in 1997 and features over 3,000 square feet of space, giving you a spacious layout to play host or kick back and relax after a long day. Inside, you'll find 4 bedrooms, so everyone has a private space to come home to, as well as 2 full bathrooms and 1 partial bathroom. But let's talk about what really makes this home stand out. Parents will be happy to know that it's located near several schools. And with a walkability score of 2.5, the neighborhood is a very walkable place to live. For a healthier lifestyle, shorter commutes, and the ability to run errands on foot. All these great features add up to a property that might be not just your next house, but your next home. On behalf of this video's sponsor, thanks for watching. If you're interested in learning more, click on screen to contact us for more information or share this property with your friends. We look forward to hearing from you.